guys, welcome to today's video and welcome on into my beauty stash. Have I got another new makeup collection eyeshadow palette to share with you guys today. Today we are focusing on Bella Beaute Bar, and this is their Dark Dreamscape palette. This is going to be a 20 pan palette full of mattes, shimmers, multi-chromes, and duochromes. All of the pans are magnetic. You can pop them out of this palette and place them in your own if you wish. I think it's a very pretty color story. If you love your purples, purple girlies, this one might be for you. Not too sure on the price of this one, but I do have an affiliate code with Bella Beaute Bar. I'm going to put it down here because I always forget if it's Steff or Steff10, but right here will save you 10% off. Now, this collection is also going to include 10 different lip balms. The one I am wearing right now, which I think the packaging is really cute, this one is called Dark Matter, and I'll be changing into a few other ones throughout the video. I'll be creating 2 different looks with this palette. Again, not too sure on the prices of all of these. I just know October 1st, 11 a.m. CST is when you're going to be able to purchase them. Now, also available is going to be this highlighter, which I unfortunately forgot when I was applying my highlighter a little while ago, but we can just swatch this really quick. Oh my goodness. That is really, really cool and really smooth. There's not much texture with this one, which I like. So we have a lot of things to get to. Let's get started with look number 1, and I'm going to change into a different lippy. So here is the completed look number 1. I love it. The lipstick shade I'm wearing is Willow. I think this looks really, really awesome. Little black CoverGirl eyeliner on the top lash line, Makeup Revolution in the lower waterline, and some Dior black mascara. Let me move over to the left eye and we'll start working on look number 2. So for the second look, I think I want to work with the shades down here. I also think this one looks really good. I'm thinking about maybe packing Void all over the lid and then blending out with these 2 shades. So I think that's the direction we're going to go in. Now I'm going to take the shade right here. This one is Supernatural. And this is a BK Beauty A504. I'm just going to start blending this in the crease. Now I'm going to pick up a little bit of the lighter shade and do the same. Just adding a little bit of the first shade, that dark purple. We have a nice little gradient there going. Now I'm going to try not using the glitter glue. I want to see if I get a lot of fallout that way. And I'm going to go in with the shade right here. Start right there in the center, like inner corner center. That is beautiful. But yes, a little bit of fallout there. Now I think I'm going to go into this. Actually, let's try this shade. This is really pretty. Okay. All right, I'm just going to touch up the matte shadow and then we'll move down to the lower lash line. Now for the lower lash line, I think I'm going to go in with this shade here. Okay, I love it. Now for the inner corner, I think I'm gonna do this one right here. Well, I feel like I've managed to use quite a number of shades in this palette. Let me go ahead and take care of the finishing touches. I'll be right back to show you this completed look number 2 as well as a new lippy. Okay guys, so here's the completed look number 2. I really love it. Same everything, even the lower waterline is another Makeup Revolution eyeliner. The lippy that I changed into kind of a reddish tone, this one is called Nightmare. I'm going to change into one more lippy and then I will give you guys my first impressions, initial thoughts on this new collection from Bella Beaute Bar. All right, guys, so this next shade is called Dimension. I really like this formula. I like the packaging, it's cute. It's not like luxe packaging or anything. It's a clear plastic, but I like that it's clear. And this is a very hydrating formula. It just feels so good applying it. They start off a little sheer and then you can definitely build up to your desired pigmentation. I think these are a win. There's a lot of reds and orangey tones, berry tones, and then you have some darker shades in here. This one I feel has a little bit of brown to it, which I love. There are 10 total. Not too sure on the cost, but I think these are definitely worth adding to cart, at least one or two. I like them. The highlighter is a very nice formula. You get a little mirror with it. Not too sure on the price of this one. Not too sure on the prices of anything. The time that I'm filming, none of the prices have been released, so it's nice. It's a good formula. And of course, the palette right here. This is the dark Dreamscape palette, full-size mirror, and then here are your 20 magnetic shades. I love a color story like this. Like, I could wear either one of these looks every day and be happy. Bella Beaute Bar, one of my favorite indie brand formulas, and I think it's really pretty. Love the different shades that are included, and it's a nice Halloween release from the brand. I think you're going to be able to buy the full collection when it launches on October the 1st at 11 a.m. CST. Don't forget that I do have an affiliate code, and I'm sorry, I always forget what it is, but I think it's Steff10, and I'm going to put it down here. That can help save you 10% off. I'm sure the lippies are all going to come in a bundle, and I'm sure everything in the collection will come bundled together, or you can purchase everything separately if you wish. I think it's really nice. I like the way both of the looks turned out. It was easy to work with, and I'm giving it 2 thumbs up. Another winner from one of my favorite indie brands, Bella Beaute Bar. Thank you so much for sending me this in PR. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. Y'all have a great day or night wherever it is you all are at. Stay hydrated, drink that water. I'll see you all soon. Bye.